in Great Falls, Montana. Here we are hanging out beside a travel lodge. Me and Mrs. Lost. What was that? Deuces. So, pretty quiet, this little town, Great Falls, Montana. We just landed at the airport and had I known fucking the Uber situation, taxi ride, might would have planned this out a little bit better. But why we come this time?
I don't know. He wanted steak or something like that because apparently Georgia cows aren't enough.
Well, we ain't got no goddamn cows or buffalo in Georgia. I know that. Or elk. Or moose. So, here we are. Walking. I don't know where the fuck we're walking to, but trying to go find a bar to hang out. Have some cold beverages, brewskis, and turn it up a little bit for y'all. But we'll check back in later, let y'all know how it works out, show you what's going on. Saturday night, here at the motherfucking Club Cigar, Montana. Everybody getting the groove on. Party like a rock star. Ooh, party in the elevator.
Dude, it looks like an old ass elevator. You're gonna make it full. Stop.
Hey, good morning. We're still here in fucking Montana. It's a goddamn ghost town. Great Falls, Montana. She's eating cold pizza. But there's a little music in the background. And a dude over the statue. Anyway, we're about to head up a little bit north to the Canadian line, where a buddy, a good friend of mine lives. Ray and his wife and family, and go hang out and see them. Party with them guys. See you soon. for y'all who didn't know, here I am. My brother's house here in Cut Bank, Montana. Had to come get a haircut. Can't find nobody else to do it. Hook my shit up right back home. There's a couple of Tampa boys up here in motherfucking Montana, right by the Canadian fucking border. Like, there's no Puerto Ricans up here. He's like the only Puerto Rican up here. And we're gonna go check out the Canadian border here in a little bit. It was like 90 degrees yesterday, and now it's 39. It's cold as fuck, and I look clean as hell. So here I am at the Canadian border, getting refused entry because it's closed. So it was worth a try. Maybe need to get some cool pictures anyway, but it was worth it.